In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check DuckDuckGo history. Before we begin, a quick note about how DuckDuckGo handles privacy. Your browsing history in the DuckDuckGo browser is stored locally on your device, not sent to the cloud. If you've used features like automatic data clearing on exit or the fire button to wipe data, your history may be empty. Private windows also don't save history. With that in mind, let's walk through how to view what's saved on your computer. Start by opening the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer. This is the full browser application, not just visiting the DuckDuckGo website in another browser. Give it a moment to load to the main window so you can access the menu. If you're working with a small window, maximize it so the controls appear clearly in the top bar. Look to the top right corner of the browser and click the hamburger menu, the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens the browser's main menu. If you don't see it, make sure you're on the main browser window and not in a pop-up. The hamburger menu is your gateway to tools like settings, downloads, and of course, history. From that menu, click History. A small sub-menu will appear. This gives you quick access to recently visited pages, but we want the full view so you can browse more thoroughly. Next, click Show All History. This opens the complete local browsing history page in the DuckDuckGo browser. You'll see a chronological list of sites you've visited, typically showing the page title and the website address. Think of this as your timeline of browsing on this device. If this page looks empty, that usually means history has been cleared or none has been recorded since the last cleanup. Now you can browse or search your history. Scroll through the list to review past visits and click any entry to reopen that page in a new tab. Use the search box at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. Type a keyword, a site name, or part of a URL, and the list will narrow to matching results. This is especially helpful when you remember a topic or brand but not the exact page. If you still don't see what you need, consider whether you visited it in a private window or on a different device, since those wouldn't appear here. That's it. Open the browser, use the hamburger menu, choose History, click Show All History, and browse or search your local record. Pause and follow along if you need to, and you'll find your past pages in no time.